Hello guys, I am just doing this quick little intro. Some people have asked or commented on our videos for a tutorial, so I haven't had a chance to do one on how we make our purse charms, but just to show you guys how I begin them. I begin by making all my larger beads, dangles. Then I make my medium size and small. And then I have any kind of dangles I have that I was going to use. This is for someone who placed an order because she wanted a purple and I ran out. And I put all my beads over here, and my pins here, and my jump rings. So that's the first part. And as you can see here, I started off with putting my larger beads on the top. And then I have some larger beads on the bottom. And I will fill it in with medium and smaller beads in the middle. And as you can see, I am here filling in the middle part with the medium and small beads. And here is how it finally looks when I fill in all the little empty spots. So I put a little fairy pink one there and a purple one over here. And like I said, I put big beads on the top, big beads on the bottom, and then I fill it in the middle with medium and small. And I put some, I really don't have a rhyme or reason. I just kind of do what makes me happy. So this is for Paula. She had wanted a purple one, as I said before. I am still working on, and this of course I cut off at the end because I'm not quite sure how long it's going to become. And this one was for someone who had wanted some golds and pinks, and I still have to get my dragonfly and butterfly charms. And this is the one I made the other day, impromptu, just because I love these aqua colors. So anyway, I know that's really not a tutorial, but that's the best I can do right now because I'm going back and forth with work and other responsibilities with my kids. To sit down and do a tutorial, it takes a lot of quiet and silence, and that's not what I have in my house at this point. So thanks. I will this summer though, guys. When I have my summer off, Marianne and I will do a tutorial on these. All right, thanks. Have a blessed weekend. Bye.